So I didn't know this was a thing. Now I knew they had like apple juice, and I think they have fruit snacks. At least I think I saw fruit snacks. And I got this at Walmart. I think there were 6 in a box. I got this one and a banana one. Anyway, this is Mott's apple strudel. Apple strudel. Size comparison, my big ass face. Fits the forehead. I don't know. Ma'am, what are you doing? Mr. Puppy sitting. I'm kind of afraid to take this out because I'm afraid it'll go like. Okay. Okay, so you see on this there's like little strudel topping. Like crumbles. It's I feel like I was worried for nothing. It smells like apple bread, I don't know. Y'all have breakfast. Right there. Eat it. Go eat your breakfast. Go eat your breakfast. This isn't your breakfast. The texture is kind of in between, like dry but moist, where it's not either one. Like it's a little too dry to be moist, but it's a little too moist to be dry. You know? And soft. It's very, very slightly chewy. But I don't know. They're super subtle apple flavor, but piece fell off. Yeah, it's very underwhelming. I think I give it a 3 out of 10 because it's so underwhelming. I think if it had more of an apple flavor and a little bit more chewiness, I'd like it, but no, it's not really doing anything for me. I have a little bit higher hopes for the banana strudel one. Hopefully that one will taste more like a banana bread. Ma'am? What do you think you're doing? Nothing. That's the look of a guilty puggin. Guilty puggin. You guilty puggin. I do love you. What do you do? Where's my eyeball? Anyway, yeah, like I said, I got a box at Walmart. I believe there were 6 in it. I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember how much it was. But I mean, it's underwhelming. I don't know what else to say. Like, comment, subscribe, bye.